friends, welcome to Tech Touch channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to fix Google Chrome green screen while playing YouTube videos. So before we start the video, please subscribe my channel for latest video. Guys, first of all, open your Google Chrome, then click on settings. Here you select system. In this you can see here use hardware acceleration when available. If you are unable this option, you should disable this option. Then click on relaunch. After relaunching, close this window. Then restart your PC or laptop. After restarting your PC or laptop, hope your problem will be fixed. So in this way you fix this problem. Thanks for watching, friends. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel.